What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a few stories for you, so let's dive right in. Our first story of the day has to do with Netflix. Netflix has been actually decreasing in popularity in terms of people that actually subscribe to their service, and they're thinking of different ways to get people to resubscribe or stay subscribed and not maybe pay as much as they used to, because that's one of the complaints, is it's getting more and more expensive. Well, they have a new subscription tier opening up on November 3rd, and here's what it is all about. It's called Netflix Basic with Ads. It launches November 3rd, like I said. It's gonna cost $6.99 in the United States. It'll also be launching in Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Korea, Mexico, all the other countries as well in there. The quality will only be 720p quality, which if you just watch it on your phone, it's probably okay. 4 to 5 minutes of ads per hour. So for every hour, you're gonna see, again, about 4 to 5 minutes of ads during that hour. No downloads at all, so you'll have to only be able to stream it, and few titles currently unavailable. So there's a couple of drawbacks. One of the drawbacks is the 720p video, which is going to be a little less resolution, a little less quality when you're watching it. There's no download, so if you like to watch these on an airplane or a road trip and you don't have internet, it's not going to be able to work because you're going to only be able to stream it. You'll also have fewer titles potentially that are unavailable when you sign up for it. I would assume some kind of exclusives or whatever will probably be time release dated on that. But other than that, and then you got ads in it, obviously, that's the other big one. So let me know if you're gonna sign up for this, or if you hate Netflix, let us know in the comments down below. Next up, Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you have one, go into your Samsung members app and join the One UI 5 beta. So if you want all the exclusive newest features that Samsung is launching in One UI 5 with the Z Fold 3, and you wanna try it out, it is available potentially right now. So just go into that Samsung members app. If you don't have that app, go to the Google Play Store, download it, and check should be at the top somewhere saying sign up for the beta and see if you have it. I don't have the Z Fold 3, so I'm unable to try it. Hasn't launched yet with the Z Fold 4, but when it does, I'll probably switch over to One UI 5 beta. And our last story of the day is all about the Galaxy Z Fold 4. As you know, the Z Fold 4 just got the September update from basically everybody got it. I got it like 2 days ago or something like that. But guess what? Yesterday, we're 14 days into October, better late than never. The October release came out. It's just a security update. It's like 300 megs or something like that. But they're starting to get this in time. They seem to do this all the time. Their releases for software updates, especially in the beginning of the phone, come out delayed for some reason, and then they start to get on the track. So I would expect from here on out, we'll probably get those monthly updates. Like when November comes, we'll probably get it in the first week or two. Hopefully nothing later than that, but that's generally what happens. But yeah, check for the update. I got it last night, installed it last night. So there you guys go. Have a great day. Your question of the day is, who is the best at giving updates on terms of like, who do you really rely on? Is it Google? Is it Apple? Is it Samsung? Who do you think's the best? I would say Apple's pretty damn good in terms of when they get it out. They might not have a monthly update, I don't think, but they have these. When they say that an update comes out, it's generally out there. Google's really good as well, but Samsung, kind of iffy sometimes. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.